Hi, it's Jill from Hot Tub Parts. Let me show you around the warehouse and introduce you to everybody. That's Mike. He's in charge of shipping. And there's Xander. He makes sure all the items are well packaged before they leave the warehouse. That's Joe. He does product uploads. And there's Jake. He does product uploads too. That's Leisha. She's in charge of customer service. There's Matt. He's a product picker. And there's Nick. He's one of the owner's sons. He's a picker too. And there's our owner. He's hands-on and cares about you and your hot tub. And that's AJ. He's our head computer tech. He's one of the owner's sons too. As you can see, our warehouse is filled with products that are ready to be shipped to you. Together, we all make up Hot Tub Parts. We are proud to be the best hot tub parts company on the internet today.